Mini centrifuges are compact laboratory instruments used to separate substances based on their density through the application of centrifugal force. Understanding key technical parameters is essential for evaluating their performance and selecting the most suitable model for your needs. Main technical parameters: maximum speed, RPA, 1, indicates the highest rotational speed the centrifuge can achieve. 2. Importance: higher speeds generate greater centrifugal force, facilitating faster separations. Maximum relative centrifugal force, RCF, 1, measured in G-force, gravitational force. 2. Importance: determines the strength of the centrifugal force applied to the samples. 3. Calculation: RCF equals 1.118 times 10 5 times R times N2. RCF equals 1.118 times 10 5 times R times N2, where R is the radius in cm, and Nn is the speed in RPA. Capacity limitations: 1, indicates the maximum number and volume of samples the centrifuge can handle. 2. Importance: helps determine the centrifuge's suitability for specific applications and sample volumes. Rotor compatibility: 1, indicates the range of rotors the centrifuge can accommodate. 2. Importance: flexibility in rotor options allows for handling various sample types and volumes. Temperature control: 1, indicates if the centrifuge has refrigeration capabilities. 2. Importance: necessary for preserving sample integrity and maintaining optimal conditions during separation. Noise level: 1, measured in decibels, dB. 2. Importance: lower noise levels ensure a quieter working environment. Safety features: 1, includes lid locking mechanisms, imbalance detection, and emergency stop buttons. 2. Importance: ensures safe operation and minimizes risks associated with unbalanced loads. Conclusion: when assessing mini centrifuges, consider key technical parameters such as maximum speed, RCF, capacity limitations, rotor compatibility, temperature control, noise level, and safety features. These factors are crucial for determining the centrifuge's performance and suitability for specific applications. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.